Hello everyone, today I am going to show you YJ washing machine shelf, 2-layer storage rack above the floor drum, pulsator toilet storage rack, suitable for bathroom, balcony, family use. The upper crossbar design makes it easy to hang clothes, and you can place this storage unit on a washing machine, dryer or toilet. Reinforced bottom design for better stability. Suitable for many types of washing machines. Specification. Product weight 2,500 grams. Material carbon steel, plastic. Size 68*28.5* 160 centimeters, 26.8* 11.2* 62.9 inches. Color as shown. Packing list 1 * washing machine shelf. Note: due to manual measurement and different measurement methods, please allow 1 to 3 centimeters deviation. Thank you. Due to the light and screen setting difference, the item's color may be slightly different from the pictures. The number is limited, please click Buy Now. Welcome to our shop, we have a variety of products for you to buy.